Tameron Gulf Coast has the best selection of used vehicles, and today we have this gorgeous 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT Duramax crew cab truck. On the exterior we have heated and power door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, rear step bumper, remote start, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with power and heated front seats, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2021 GMC Sierra has less than 19,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.